Hi guys, it's DJ here from Cozy RC and we're going to run the M700 again. Today we're going to speedrun it with a 4S setup. This is a 4S 5000 mAh 65C Lipo and we got a TP 3640 2300 kV motor. I'm running it with a modified Flycolor 150 amp ESC, and the first run will be with a 1.6 pitch 42 mm diameter prop, and we're shooting for 100 km an hour, which is 62 miles an hour. Nice. Okay, let's see how fast that was. Movement, stop, read, 97, not bad. Start it again, movement, okay. Let's try that again. Okay, let's check it again. Movement, stop, read, 96. Alright. By the way, the weather conditions are great. So let's just fun run it a little bit. Awesome. It's just such a great boat to run fast and also to run laps. Alright, let's quit it and let's put a new Lipo in with the 1.9 pitch 43 mm prop. Time for the second run. I put a fresh Lipo in and the 943 prop. Start, stop, read, 3, start. Okay, there we go. This is the 4S speed record setup, and last time I got the record, which is 102 kilometers an hour, which is almost 64 miles an hour. This time the weather conditions are better, so I hope for a higher speed. Let's try. Nice. That was a solid run. Let's get it back for a speed reading. Okay. Stop. Read. 108. Yes. Wow. That's awesome. Great, that's a convincing new record. 108. Trey, sorry man, I think I just made it more challenging for you to beat the record. But anyway, it's a friendly competition, so doesn't matter what you will get. We're all having fun, that's most important. And you still got the all-time speed record for the M700, which is 73 or 74 miles an hour. Okay, let's go. Wow, that was a solid run. Let's see if I beat the record. Okay, movement, stop, read, 106. Okay, no record. But I'm really happy with the 108. Wow. And it's stable too. It's awesome. Really tracking nice. One more sprint and then we will change up the Lipo. That's awesome. So now I ran with a CNHL 4S Lipo, 5000 milliamp hour, 65C, and I got still in the back a 4S CNHL 5200 milliamp hour 90C Lipo, which should give some more power. So I'm very curious. Let's take some temps. Okay, 31 on the capacitors, not bad at all. On the wiring, 40 degrees, it's not a problem. 25 on the motor, 28 on the backside. Lipo's 28, nice, great temperatures. Alright, so I just installed the 4S CNHL 90C Lipo. I need to use a transfer connector, so to say. I also pre-warmed the Lipo. So I brought a hot water bag and I stored the Lipos in there to pre-warm them, because it's now autumn season and normally, I say normally, it's a bit colder outside, but today is exceptionally warm. We got 16 or 17 degrees Celsius, which is maybe record warm for November, beginning of November in the Netherlands. So I'm pretty excited to see what this Lipo will do. So I will tape it up and then I will see you back. Alright, start, movement, stop, read, 3, start. Yeah, there we go. So let's try to get it to 70 miles an hour, which is 112 kilometers an hour. That would be awesome if I can get it to that speed. So let's try that. Make a nice long sprint. There we go. Oh, wow, just saved it. Man, that got my heart pounding. That looked fast for sure. Faster than the previous one. Okay. Yes, movement. Stop. Read. 110. That's great. New record. But it became a little bit unstable, so maybe I will give the trim tabs a slight turn downwards. Put the trim tab slightly down. So let's say start, movement, stop, read, 2, start. Yeah, got movement. Let's try another sprint. Okay, there we go. Wow, that was a solid one. Again, not sure if it was faster, but let's see. Okay. Movement, stop, read, 103. Ah, no. Okay, so that shows that even the slightest trim tab adjustment does make a big difference. Okay, start it again. Yeah. Ah, that's too bad. But anyway, I got 110, so shouldn't complain. That's almost 70 miles an hour. Just running awesome. Careful on the throttle with against the wind and then with the wind. Full throttle. Just great fun. This TP motor has some serious power. Okay, last sprint and then I quit it. Alright, enough. Let's check the temps. I still have the water issue, water leakage. I will soon get a water pump delivered. Then I can connect the water pump and try the water cooling lines under pressure to see if they have some leakage in them. Okay, the motor connector is kind of warm. Let's check the motor temp. Motor is about 30. How about capacitors? About 40. And Lipo is about 30. That's great. Still some water, as I said. Alright. Okay guys, I'm ending the video here. Stoked with the new record. I think I got about 68 or 69 miles an hour, 110 kilometers an hour on a 4S setup. So that is just awesome. Thank you for watching guys, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!